to transfer files from your phone into USB drive on Redmi Note 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening Settings. Right now you will have to scroll down and select Additional Settings, and here you will have to turn on OTG connection. Now just connect USB drive into your USB-C port. Then wait for notification. If it is not popping on the screen, just open the notifications, expand the USB drive and select Explore. Now you are here on your drive, so let's find some things that we can transfer. For example, I would like to pick this photo, so I have to select everything that I want to transfer, then select Move. Now I have to select Internal Shared Storage and pick destination. For example, I'm gonna put it in my pictures. Then click Move. As you can see here, I can find it. And if I want to do this in the second way, then for sure you will have to start by opening Files. Now pick the photo that you want to transfer, click Move, and now select your USB storage and pick folder, for example, Pictures. Select Move, and it is finished.